What's going on, guys? Today we're making something special. Turkey burgers with an Asian twist. That's right, an Asian twist. And everything is inspired by Asia. From our turkey meat to our spicy mayo. Stay tuned for the rest of the ingredients for our turkey burgers today. We got garlic, we got onions, we got red chili, we have cilantro, and chopped scallion. Alright, we have about 2 pounds of ground turkey. We're going to put about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, probably a little more. Get that hot. Then we're going to put our onions. We're going to sweat them a little. I just don't like that raw onion taste when I bite into my burger, so I just sweat them a little. So, garlic in. And chilies. Onions, garlic, and chili sauteed and put aside. We have 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Now we're going to go in with the oyster sauce. We're going to go in with about 2 as well, 2 tablespoons. We're going to go in with hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce is like a barbecue flavor. We're going to go in with 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Hot sesame oil, 1 tablespoon, and Worcestershire sauce, if I got that correct. I'm gonna give it about 4 little dashes. I'm gonna put some sugar in there, about a pinch of sugar, just a pinch, and we're gonna put some white pepper. Just a little dust, a dash. Alright, now we're going to give this a little mix. Alright, now we're going to put our sauteed onions, garlic, and pepper into the turkey meat. We're going to go in with our sauce, spread it around. And we're going to go in with our fresh herbs. We got our cilantro and scallions. I'll give these all a mix and marinate. So, turkey burgers are almost finished. I got my provolone cheese on top, and now we're ready to make burgers. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of gochujang, and we're gonna do some mayo. This is Japanese mayo. I'm gonna do about 4 tablespoons of this, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Also gonna do about half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Give that a little mix. Our spicy mayo is already whipped. Now we're gonna add some sesame seeds. As you can see, the turkey is cooked and it has all these juices here. It's gonna be a moist turkey burger. Let's go in for the tasting.